Good morning, children. Today we will start the topic mensuration. Mensuration is not a new topic for you people, as you have already done in mensuration in your previous class also, children. So we will go for the mensuration. First of all, we will go for what do you mean by the rectilinear figure. Rectilinear figure says a figure made up of some line segment is called a rectilinear figure. There is no curve in that. The curve means like a circle, you are having a curve. So that type of curve is not there. That is known as the rectilinear figure. Any closed figure which is made up of only a straight line are known as rectilinear figure. Now the next term is closed figure. A figure which is closed from all sides is known as closed figure. For example, rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, all these are the examples of the closed figure. Simple figure, as you can see here, it is one figure is given. So this is not a simple figure, but a rectangle, square, triangle, these all are the simple figure. So when no two sides of a figure are intersect in a figure, then it is known as a simple figure. Here you can easily see that BC and AF are intersected at one point, so they are not a simple figure. Now, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary. Perimeter is what? Length of the boundary. And what is area? The measurement of the region enclosed in the figure is known as the area. So inside part is known as area and outside part is known as the boundary part is known as the perimeter. Now we are having this standard units of area. Standard units of area means yes, children. So standard unit of area. What in how you will measure that area? You can see when we are measuring time. So we are measuring in hours or seconds or minutes or days or year. Similarly, when we are measuring some length, so we will be finding in meter or centimeter or in kilometer. So these are the unit of the measuring something. Similarly, if we are using some water, liquid, fluid thing, so we are measuring in liters. So similarly, if we are measuring area also, there must be some measurement units for that. So for area it is, you can see the area of the unit of area are square centimeter. That is written as centimeter is square if its length is given in meter. If it is centimeter is square if it is given in centimeter. It is kilometer is square when it is given in kilometer. So and we write like this: the area of a square of side 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter square, and the area of a square of a side 1 meter is known as 1 meter square. This is how. In the next page you can see there are various units has been given, like if 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, so 1 centimeter square can be written as 10 into 10 mm square. This is, they have represented how we can convert centimeter into mm. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 100 mm square. Similarly, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So 1 decimeter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. Similarly, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to 10 into 10 decimeter square. Similarly, this has been written. In the last column, you can see here, children, 1 air. So this 1 air is equal to 100 meter square. That is known as known for the area, and 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Right? Now, some units, given is there, area and formulas are given. This has been taught to you in the class 6th also. Area of rectangle, length into breadth, square unit, length जब फाइंड आउट करना है, देन एरिया बाय ब्रेथ, ब्रेथ फाइंड आउट करना है, एरिया बाय लेंथ, डायगोनल इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ एल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2l प्लस बी, and area of 4 walls of a room, because there are 4 walls, so there are what is the particular thing, you can see one wall length is there and height is there, so length into height, and opposite is also same, so 2 length into height and 2 breadth into height, total 4 walls are there, so we can take h as common, so therefore it will become 2 into l plus b into h. An area and perimeter of a square, area of the square, side of the square, area का square root, diagonal of square root 2a, area of square is equal to half into diagonal square, perimeter of the square is equal to 4a. Okay, now come to the next, we are having the solved examples. Now you can see children in the solved example, there are various questions, we can go for this. Like the first question says, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are 120 meter and 75 meter respectively. Find the area of the field and cost of turfing it at rupees 15 per meter square. So we have to turf it also. So first of all we have to find out the area of the field. The area of the field is length into breadth. So what we will do, length into breadth into meter square. So here we have to. Now when we have to find out cost children, so what we will do, 1 meter square cost is 15. So what is the cost of 9000 meter square? We just multiply 9000 into 15 and we get the result. Similarly, if the perimeter of the field and the cost of fencing it at rupees 40 per meter, we have to find out the perimeter and we have to fence it also at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. The perimeter is, formula is 2 into L plus B. We put the values of L and B over here and then it is simply we can do. So you just go with all the questions, exercises first, examples first, and then we can go for the exercise questions. In the question number 2, you can see the length and breadth of a rectangular fields are in the ratio 3:2. Whenever these type of questions comes, 3:2. So what you will do, let the length be 3x meter and breadth be 2x meter as they have written over here. This 3x meter and 2x meter. Okay, so 3x meter and 2x meter. And area of the field is equal to how much? 3x into 2x, that is equal to 6x square. But area is given as how much? 3456 meter square. We equate both the terms. 6x square is equal to 3456. So here we can write down 6x square is equal to 3456. So this was okay. Next question. Find the area of a rectangular plot, one side of which measures 35 meter and the diagonal is 37 meter. Here you can see in this one side is equal to 35 meter and the another diagonal is given 37 meter. So by Pythagoras theorem we can able to find out the breadth BC. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? This AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and then by substituting we get the x ka value 12. Area of the plot is equal to length into breadth and we can find out. Now in the next question what is mentioned, find the area of a square, the length of whose diagonal is this. The length of diagonal is given, you just have the formula, area of the square is equal to half into diagonal square. Having the formula you can find out. Okay, now the next examples you can see. The cost of fencing of a square field at rupees 16 per meter is this. Find the repairing the field at rupees 35 per 100 meter square. So the cost of fencing a square field is rupees 16 per meter square. 16 rupees के charge पे, rate पे he is having 32,000. So we can find out the perimeter how? By dividing 32,000 by 16. So perimeter of the field is given by 32,000 by 16, so it comes out as 2000 meter. Now length of each of the field side, because perimeter formula is equal to 4 into side, so one side is equal to 2000 by 4, that is equal to 500 meter. By if we get the side, we find the area is equal to this, and then cost of repairing 100 meter square is equal to 35. The cost of repairing 1 meter square is equal to 35 by 100. The cost of repairing this is equal to multiplying. So that's it for today's children. You just practice a lot and then we can go for the exercises in the next class.